this one will shock you, and this is so beautiful. This is so amazing, and I don't know what to say, but Air Peace has done it again. That's just all I have to say in this video. Air Peace has done it again. Now, local flights, they now introduce Igbo language. Like, you can now, for commentaries, passing of messages, they now use the Igbo language in some of their flights, routine flights. Let's say Enugu to Owerri and all of that. They now use Igbo language in this kind of local flight around. They use Igbo language. I don't know if they do that to places like Jos, Kano, Lagos and all that, but for this side, well, it's so beautiful. This is a video shared by someone who was on the flight, and yes, well, it blew the internet already. But you know, now Nigerians, they always talk about these good things. Now the one we know they good, now they always put their mind to. But me, I did different. I be Nigerian with a different. Here's the video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.
How's it going?
Ya ba malita nya wa punja ba ina la gara na ga rigo na karo go dia lu ka ndi ti sri de dum biri bro ba go be na kara ku ya bo na sa anya na anda Abuja ka le taro bo be na ko wa pata ihu ri bo na Abuja de ba ze wa sam ai fere bia wa Maruzena natara ko apota ne wagasuru buru buru ndani anga anda bagasira jina tine utema ma jigi no chigasuru zaidi siga gafe banya Abuja mano biaro no miri makana ega kama uzerenda ige zere pio fenda ige pio fe ndede ngufa ya wufa ya iji me kanjama de no sam onyana ra hora gara ho gedora titana ko ya kasia manna bi ya ka ila na ya la ruona mana biko ngwa ne ko kura ka kara na segengi wore mbandu gwa ino dora na ne ne wore madosi o ngwe weekend o chedi ko di gwa atufu kwano ogi iji menka kamada gari ta ibi sinanya mo bo wori mi dokara yo che makandi wori mi ogonogo di kam na oro ai buzi Air Peace na hande mona hana ko bo njem ko bo tita kai je bunyo no ba kana wore na su no no jide ko no ji maka no nya se jide ko ji amara na ko na emede mma obro no na apụta ga anya ga apụ obro kwazi ya no na anozi Air Peace onozi emegene ndị nlekọrịta anya ụlọ ebe ahụ ụnụ nọ ụmụ pịnọpịnọ ụmụ agbọghọ ndị amagasịrị mma eji atụ nwoke nga onye isi ha afa ya bụ